Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a coming soon page in Hostinger Website Builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Now, from this left side menu, click on Websites, then select Websites List. Now, click on this Edit Website button to go straight to your Hostinger Website Builder dashboard. Just a little quick tip, if you have lots of websites in this list, to differentiate between the WordPress websites and the other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder, just look to these icons. As you can see, this is a WordPress website and this is a Hostinger Website Builder website. After that, click on Edit Website. And to enable the coming soon page in Hostinger Website Builder, it's simple. Just hover over this little globe icon and enable this feature from here. And don't forget to update your website. Now let's view my website live. If it does not work on the first attempt, just refresh the page. And this is the coming soon page. To edit this page design, just go back again to the same pop-up and hit edit coming soon page. And now you can edit the page here. For example, you can edit this text, just double click it. You can add a photo. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is a photo. To edit this photo, just select it and hit edit image. Click on replace image and you can upload your image from your computer or use free images. And always don't forget to hit the update website button. Let's view this change live. And as you can see, this is the coming soon photo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.